Hello, I'm Milosz Rewiński and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air. We've got you covered. Ukraine downed 30 drones launched by Russia overnight, according to officials. In the Kharkiv region, one person was killed and 3 injured as a result of shelling by Russian forces. In the south, Russian troops shelled more than 20 settlements of the Kherson region during the day. As a result, 2 people were killed and another 10 were wounded. On the battlefield, Ukraine made gains near Kupiansk and halted the Russian northern advance. Ukrainian forces have reportedly pushed back Russian troops from recently taken areas near the northern city of Kharkiv. The Institute for the Study of War has said that Ukrainian troops have eliminated a Russian bridgehead on the right bank of the Oskil River near Novomlinsk and significantly reduced another Russian bridgehead on the right bank. In addition, Ukrainian forces recently marginally advanced within Toretsk, near Bakhmut. Further south, Russian troops continuously carry out assaults in the Kherson region, trying to gain a foothold on the island zone. Władysław Voloshin, spokesman for the Ukrainian Defense Forces of the South, reported that, according to intelligence, the Russians are currently training assault troops at training grounds in the occupied territories of the Zaporizhia and Kherson regions. The training in question involves the boats of the Dnieper flotilla, whose division was transferred to the Tendrivska and Kinburn Spits. According to Voloshin, the Ukrainian Defense Forces are ready to counteract any development of the situation. Now, moving on to the Middle East, where Israeli forces again bombed the safe zone in Gaza's Al-Mawazi, killing at least 21 people and wounding 28 more, according to Atif Al-Hout, the director of the Nasser hospital in nearby Khan Yunis. As we've reported, the attack hit tents where displaced families were sheltering, causing fires to break out and the deaths of some of the residents. In Syria, meanwhile, rebels encircled the key central city of Hama from 3 directions, a war monitor said, despite a counteroffensive launched by government forces to retain control of the city. Hama is strategically located in central Syria and, for the army of President Assad, is crucial to safeguarding the capital and seat of power, Damascus. The fighting around Hama follows a lightning offensive by Islamist-led rebels who in a matter of days conquered large swathes of territory, most significantly Syria's second biggest city of Aleppo. The Drone Systems Battalion of the Ukrainian 47th Mechanized Brigade delivers devastating losses to their enemies on a daily basis, providing critical support to infantry operations in the Kursk region. Whenever their enemy makes a move, they are met with immediate and precise strikes, leaving no room for advancement. This relentless effort ensures stability along the brigade's line of responsibility, as all available resources are focused on eliminating threats and holding the front line. Witness the battalion's unwavering determination and the precision of their drone operations in this compelling footage. Pro tip: never leave the hatch on your tank open, you might get unwanted visitors. Now, moving on. Syrian rebels have captured a new batch of Russian military equipment during their operations near the city of Hama. Among the seized vehicles are a T-90A tank and a Tigr M armored combat vehicle, previously under the control of the 25th Special Forces Division. This dramatic footage showcases the rebels' ability to strike and neutralize key assets of Assad's forces backed by Russia. The capture of these advanced vehicles marks a significant tactical gain and underscores the shifting dynamics of the Syrian conflict. And now, experience a day on the front lines with the Ukrainian Odessa Brigade, named after the Knights of the Winter Campaign. In this exclusive footage from Donetsk, the unit demonstrates their resilience and coordination as they face relentless enemy attacks. Captured by Suspilne Odessa, the documentary offers an intimate look at the lives of these Ukrainian defenders, from strategic planning to intense combat. See how this brigade stands firm in the harsh realities of war. This is more than a report. It's a testament to courage and determination.
Я закінчив духовну семінарію. Прийшов я по моїй мобілізації. Я на початку війни я прийшов добровільно в воєнкомат, але так як я не служив в армії, а тоді ще перебирали, не брали всіх підряд. Там людей було повно, не встигали автобуси відвозити людей по учебках. І мене відправили додому. Через 1,5 року, я в кінці 23-го року сюди попав. У мене дядько тут з 15-го року. Він каже, що пробуємо тебе забрати до себе. Таке вдвох буде спокійніше.
А по спеціальності працювали?
Ні, по спеціальності я не працював. Не вийшло в мене. Я після закінчення одружився. Думав по спеціальності працювати, але думаю, трошки треба поїхати грошей підзаробити в Польщу. І так воно пішло-поїхало. 8 років їздив.
Працюємо зменшені, навестись.
Це по одному тако бігати саме гірше. Дали б штук 10 зразу.
Відпрацювання було на заборону по міномету, щоб навіть не вилучилися. А зараз ми в готовності, тому що їм дана команда на штурм. Тобто ми зараз по тій цілі, по якій ми перед тим пострілилися, ми знову наведені на ній, готові працювати. Чого філософ? Я не знаю, так склалося, мабуть, ще зі школи. Я завжди любив щось, вчителі, коли робили зауваження, в мене завжди була якась своя думка, свої аргументи. Я з ними дуже часто не погоджувався. І в них їхній останній аргумент був, це просто не філософствуй. Як став командиром? Та я не рахую, що я став командиром. У нас тут просто в колективі. Комусь це нести якусь відповідальність і щось організовувати це все. Я в 2014 році ще працював в якості старшого офіцера батареї, тому що тоді теж була нехватка офіцерів. У нас в підрозділі був тільки кадровий офіцер один, це комбат наш. І спочатку він взагалі сам працював. Не було ким його підмінити. І так, комусь треба було підміняти. І цікаво було. І якось так. Ці машини, я їх ще пам'ятаю з 2014 року. Всі ті машини з нами були в АТО в 2014-2015 році.
And with this, we conclude this episode of Military Mind. Next deployment at the same time tomorrow, and in the meantime, please stay with us here on TVP World.